So for page 5 we will be using this print. Make sure that your love is going this way, guys, and your 7¼ inches this way. And the one and only pre-cut we had was 3 inches by 9 inches, which we call side pocket. Okay, and now the first thing we are going to do is punch along the long side. Now set this base sheet aside, and I am using this DMC punch. I'll leave the link below. Now I'll just put this here, line this up and punch along the long side. So this is what you should have, guys. Now I didn't punch this because I'm going to be wrapping it back behind, so no need to punch all the way. Now make sure your love is going this way. On this right corner, take out your glue and apply a 1/4 inch of glue. Okay, just a 1/4 inch, guys, not more, because we need the pocket to, you know, adhere down. So a 1/4 inch glue here, and just place this with even overhang on both sides. Okay, and take your burnishing tool and burnish this down really good. Now flip this over, and you see the hang over here. Just flop this over and glue this down. Apply glue here and just burnish this down. Do the same thing for this side also. So I am done burnishing mine. Now if you flip this over, you will have a good spaced side pocket. Now let's start finding our paper for in here. In your reserves, you will find this piece. This piece is 7½ inches by 3¾ inch. Okay. Now first, looking at it so that this is 7½ inches across, measure over 7¼ inches and cut. Now after making that cut, you will see that you will be matching from the top and bottom of the page. Now depending on what type of punch you have to measure to fit the piece here. Bring this a little bit down and closer to the trim here. Okay, and make a mark here to the edge of the paper and trim this down. So I am done trimming mine. Now let me apply glue and glue this down right like this. Now I am done gluing mine down. As you can see, it's a good fit for pitch mats. Now I have this type of lace from Little Birdie Crafts. Now I am going to apply glue and glue this down right at the edge of the paper here. So after I glued down the lace, I also glued down some star gem crystals here, and I also glued down this You Belong With Me sentiment from Craft Tales, and also a Little Birdie Crafts flower here. So my page 5 is over. Now let's take out our album and let's turn to page 5. And here's our page 5. So while placing this, place this so that you are away from this hinge, 1/8 inch away from this hinge. Move further towards your trim, guys, and stay away from the top and bottom of the pages. Okay, 1/8 inch border. So this is not a heavy page, so I have just applied glue. Now I am going to place this down so that I am 1/8 inch away from the hinge part and from the top and bottom of the white cardstock pages here. And then I'll burnish this down really good and come back. So I have glued mine down. Guys, look at the trim. It's so beautiful, right? In between the hearts, the other pink one and the blue one is just showing out. The colors are showing up and so beautiful. Now let's move on to page 6. Okay, so for page 6 again we have the same print here, and now this time the love is going this way. So let's look into our pre-cuts. So this page is a fairly simple page. So we had pre-cuts which was measuring 3¼ inches by 4½ inches, and we had 2 pages for this. Now let's flip this over and apply glue, and let me tell you how to glue this down. Let's work with one piece. For now, just measure over 1/4 inch inside from the left corner and the top corner and glue this one down, and measure over 1/4 inch from the bottom part and the right corner and glue this down. Okay, so this is what yours should look like. So this is what mine looks like. Now let's find out the paper for this. In your reserves, you will find this piece. This piece is 12 inches wide by 5 inches tall. Okay, now looking at it like this, measure over 3 inches and cut, measure over again 3 inches and cut. So this is what you should have. Now turn this so that this is 5 inches across, measure over 4¼ inches and cut. So these are the 2 pieces which you should have. Now when you place this on this picture mat frame, you will notice that you will have 1/8 inch border on all sides. So apply glue to the back and glue this down right like this. So after this, you can decorate it as much as you want. Now I'll decorate mine and show you guys. So now I am done decorating. I have added these adorable tag sheets elements from Craft Tales, and also the cute little gems here and there. So you can paste a 3/4 inch picture here and here. It will look so adorable. Now let's take out our album and start placing our page. Apply glue to the back, and you see the hinge here. Move 1/8 inch away from that hinge and glue this down right like this. So this is what mine looks like. I have also added this cute little star crystal here on the tag here. Now since all these pages are little bulkier, we made this page little simpler, because you don't want a lot of bulk in your albums, because we have to close this and it should look beautiful. So this is what your inside album looks like. So it's neat, and it's spacious here, so that you can paste a lot of picture inside. So this is what our page 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 looks like. Now let's move on to page 7 and 8.